All right, well today I've got some updates on this EM1. We're gonna put some new wheels on it. Gonna make a new video for this, and then Cody, we're gonna work on your car in a little while.
Yeah, maybe around 3 o'clock.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Sounds good. So EM1 that we shined up in the last video. We've got these. So RPF1s, I think they're 15x7 plus 35. Got the Falken RT660 tires. So yeah, they're gonna look pretty good on this thing. Before we got this car, it originally, we didn't think that it was actually gonna have wheels on it. It had some like big stance wheels on it, which we didn't want. The owner said he was gonna keep them, so that's cool. And then when the car showed up, it ended up having SI wheels on it, which is awesome, but yeah, so we ended up getting some wheels for it beforehand to put on because we thought the car was going to be on steelies, but came on these, which is cool, so we'll put these away. And yeah, since we have these with new tires, freshly coated wheels, so thanks to Steve at Falken for setting us up with these awesome new tires and freshly coated wheels. Got these black powder coat by BNB Coatings out here, so thank you to those guys as well for getting these things nice and cleaned up because they were in not great shape, so now they're looking fresh. So let's get the wheels on this thing, and then so we can pull it outside and check it out and see what it looks like outside. Still need to put the bumper and stuff on. We had to order a bunch of stuff from Honda for that hadn't come in yet. And what else? Suspension and stuff was all adjusted, but nothing's adjusted correctly, and it's all the ride height and stuff's all whacked out, and toes all messed up. And we're gonna get the wheels on it, and as soon as we can get the exhaust fixed, we'll get this thing aligned, and that way we can start driving it. But yeah, in the meantime, let's put these. We got it pulled outside and it looks pretty good. A little bit better than the stock SI wheels, but hey, we'll wrap those things up and I'll stick them inside. That way they, won't get hurt or scratched up or anything, and we'll keep them safe. But tell you what, for a set of old RPF1s, new powder coating, and new tires, man, make these things look really good. So again, thank you to Steve at Falken hooking us up with these tires, and also my guys at BNB Coating for stripping these things, getting them all nice and clean, powder coating these things black. They look great. And yeah, so I don't think we're going to do much else on this thing today. I was thinking about putting a shifter in it, putting the console plate in and stuff, and kind of doing that stuff, but I'm going to be working on Cody's K24 EG in a little while, so I kind of need to get some stuff prepped for that car.